Alrighty, I've got 4 packages from Lazada and I have no idea what I ordered, man. But regardless, here they are. So let's go ahead and crack these open. Starting with the smallest one first, being this one. What even is this, dude? Look, a lot of times whenever I order things online, I always order in bulk. So I really don't remember exactly what everything is. And it looks like it's just this. Oh, okay. These are for the bottoms of these tables and chairs. You see how like these slide around, so it's even more so inside of with the marble tiles. This is gonna help it not stick, so that's pretty good. Or not stick, just not slide around. And then in this big old cocoon one, got, what even is this? Oh, what is this? Is this like a fan? Did I order a fan? Yeah, I definitely think this is a little fan, man. These clip right on here. How do these even, okay, there we go. I feel like if this thing goes fast enough, then these blades are just gonna fly right off of it. Might have to get some Gorilla Glue and put it on, man. If they even have that out here. I think they do. And if not that, then they at least have some sort of a variant. If you guys didn't know, I am currently in the Philippines, in the town of Cubao. Although I don't really know if it should be called a town. It's more so like Manila's like one large city and this section is Cubao. So it's a section of a large city. There we go, sure. I kind of want to clip it here, but oh yeah, it's easily gonna pop off and fall right there. As this random thing just fell off, man. Did it break already? Yeah, this literally is from here. It already broke, bro. Are you kidding me? Alrighty, gonna have to glue that down as well, but we have this little fan. Just throw all these down here, sure. And then in this one, it honestly feels a bit like Christmas, except it's hot. I'm sweating, man. It's a hot and sweaty Christmas. That's what it's like on the other side of the world from America. This one won't even open, dude. Holy. Fine tooth and nail for this thing, man. What even is this? Selfie stick box. I genuinely do not remember ordering this, man. Especially not when it's white. Oh, it's black. Maybe I did order this. This is a little button you can use, so somehow it attaches to your phone, and I guess you can take photos with this. I don't see any cords, though. It looks like these can come out. Yeah, there they go. Alrighty. There it is. Toss these to the side here. It's not too bad. I mean, does it lift up any? It looks like it's supposed to lift up. Yeah, I don't think it lifts up unless it's this. No, that's up and down. Bro, what did I order? It definitely pushes up, but it's not pushing. Okay, hold on. Let me use some more force. I don't want to break it because if I push too much force here, then inevitably this is going to just lunge forward and these are going to snap, bro. Hold on. Yeah, it's not wanting to go up at all, but it easily can. Do I turn it? Oh, there it goes. Okay, yeah, I was about to say, man. There it is. So this piece stays the way it is. So yes, I was going to break it by pushing there. And it holds that way. Okay. It's not bad, but how does my phone stay in? Is it like this? Let me try it out, bro. Currently, the time is 3:43 p.m. And these do extend. Oh my god, I'm gonna break it just trying to open this. Oh, my phone's just a bit big for it, man. That is definitely crooked if you ask me. Okay, look. I don't know if this is gonna be good for it to be up and down because it's very wonky. I should mention that this thing was the equivalent of like $1.27 if I do remember correctly. So I do think it's best just like this short form. You can put it up here, although I don't think it's safe to put anything on this side of the balcony. It's gonna fall right over, man. Sure, add this to my pile of useless things. And last but not least, what is this? It's wrapped in tape. There we go. It's some box of some sort. It's not that heavy. And these pieces are ripping off just a small section at a time, dude. Like a quarter width at a time, bro. All right, can this slide right out now? Almost. A little corn needs to come out. Okay. This is a... Ooh, I forgot to order this thing, man. It's supposed to be a laptop cooler. So as you see, you put your laptop there. It's got some fans on it, so it helps cool it down. If you guys didn't know, I do a lot of gaming, a lot of live streaming, and my laptop does get very hot. So hot in the fact that I start losing frames, so that's what this thing is for. Ugh, it smells cheap. It's got that cheap electronic smell, dude. This thing's not gonna cause a power outage, is it? This is supposed to hold the weight of my laptop. This piece is quite easily going to break. I'm gonna have to support it with duct tape as well. And does this thing rise? It looks like it's supposed to rise. There it is. And that goes like this way. How does it, bro? Okay, I see grooves back here, so ideally, okay, there it is, like that. Sure, you have your laptop on it. I guess I can clean up all this mess and take it inside and test it out real quick. And this little cord, this is the power cord. Dude, it doesn't stretch at all, bro. How am I even supposed to keep this thing powered on? Unless this plugs into my laptop, but my laptop in itself doesn't have much space for it at all, dude. Oh, it's starting to rain. I was wondering what that sound was. You can see droplets there. Oh no, let me go ahead and get inside before I just get drenched. All the other things can just wait out here. Let me just get the importance. Make sure this doesn't get too wet. Oh, jeez. Put that there for now. And last but not least, get up all of our trash. Put all the bags in a singular bag. And I do not collect these twisties, man. I have too many. What's this? This might be for something important, so I'm gonna leave that right there for now. Alrighty. Oh yeah, look at that. You can even see it there too, man. Wow. There used to be a city over there and city that side. and now it's just fog and rain and wet. Okay, let me get out of here, bro. I'm doing too much. All right, back in the safety of the indoors. Wipe this off real quick. So my selfie stick here, if we go ahead and turn it this way, and then, oh wait, which way does it stretch again? Oh, I need to turn it the other way then, huh? Yeah, because this part stretches. Like, this can easily break if you put too much pressure here. Normally put your phone up this way and push up on it, and it's just crooked, dude. It's slanted. Okay, there we go. I suppose that works. As for the fan, they got this cord little bundled up, man. Alrighty, there it is. Put this here and plug this up right there. Does this work? Hey, there it goes. It's about to fall off, though. I mean, it's alright. The blades hurt. Ah! Oh, it's plastic, dog. It's hard plastic, man. And it's nice and quiet, too, because this is my old fan. This one. You can really hear the old fan. And this one kind of blows the same as this one's max. Interesting, interesting. Well, anyways, this one works pretty well. As far as this little laptop fan goes, okay. I really don't know how I'm gonna set this up. Can it even support the weight of all this nonsense I've got going on here? Just kind of grab all this, slide that one up on there like so. Although my side screens are now falling. Yep, they are definitely slipping down and falling. Okay. So it is a lot of extra weight on my laptop here in itself, dude. You can hear it huffing and puffing already. And for now, we'll take this smaller cable. Dude, this room is like a furnace just because of this laptop. Oh, I have this. This can go, suppose, right here. Ah, there we go. Gives it a little bit more support there. And this gets plugged up here, and it can come out through this way, like so. Is it on? I see blue. I don't feel anything though. Let me lift this up real quick. Yeah, the blades are turning. I barely feel anything from this, bro. This thing barely works, dog. And there's no buttons anywhere to increase the airflow, so like it works, but at what cost, man? Let me let these things sink down to the floor. There we go. I suppose it's not too bad, but up here, my laptop is still very much indeed hot, so I don't think I really should have got this one, man. But I do believe I have a few more products that are still on the way here, so I will go ahead and get to those whenever those ones arrive, man. Take care, peace.